Hi there, I'm Sandra. In this video, I'll be dealing with the concepts of algebra.
Hi all, my name is Sneha Biju. In this video, I'm taking the activity session. We'll be playing a very interesting game over there.
Guys, my name is Arppitan. I come from Wayanad, Kerala.
I'm Adhil. I have opted for CH with the data science.
Hello guys, my name is Alec. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
When you hear the word mathematics, what's that coming to your mind? Numbers, patterns, addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Isn't it? Yes, you're right. But it's something more than that. It matters in our everyday life. Now, let's get in touch with an area of mathematics, algebra, through arithmetics. The area of mathematics where the numbers are combined with basic operations and their calculation forms arithmetics. For example, 8 plus 2 equals 10. But what if someone asks the same thing in another way? That is, for example, how much should be added to 8 to get 10? There arises an empty space with an unknown value. For ease, we can name these empty spaces with an English alphabet. Let it be x. Now the equation changes to 8 plus x equals 10. And there is it. This is an algebraic equation. So what's algebra? It simply means finding the value of unknown numbers. Now, how to find the unknown value? Rearrange the equation in such a way that unknown values are on one side of the equation and known values are on the other side of the equation. But this rearrangements can't be done as per our wish. It has certain rules. One of the foremost and basic rule is that both sides of the equation should be balanced as that of a balanced scale. But how to balance it? Go watch it out.
Now, we are going to play an interesting game using algebra. You know what the game is? It is hide and seek. So, in hide and seek, you usually find a person who is hidden. Here, we are going to find a number which is hidden in X. All you need to play this game is few rectangles and few two-colored squares. Now, we are going to see what are the rules to play this game. So, the first rule is one rectangle will be equal to 1x. One rectangle is equal to 1x. So, suppose I have 2x. Then, you will place two rectangles for 2x. If I have 3x, I'll place 3 rectangles for 3x. The next rule is one green square is equal to 1. One green square is equal to 1. So suppose I have 2. Then I will place 2 green squares. Suppose I have 4. I'll place 4 green squares in total. Okay. Next rule is one blue square is equal to minus 1. One blue square is equal to minus 1. Now, if I have minus 2, I'll place 2 blue squares. If I have minus 5, total, I'll place 5 blue squares. Okay. So, to play this game, remember these rules in your mind. Now, we'll see how to play this game. We are going to go to the first round of the game. Oh, wow, you have your first equation in the box. So, the first equation is 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. So, let's switch from numbers. We will place these rectangles and squares in place of these numbers and the x term. So, first you have 2x. So, for 2x, you will use 2 rectangles. So, this is our beautiful 2x. Next, you have minus 4. You should consider the sign too. Minus 4. So, in the rules, I stated that blue squares show minus 1. So, if I have minus 4, I will require 4 blue squares. So, let me place 4 blue squares. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Next, after the equal to sign, you have plus 2. So since we do not write positive sign with numbers normally, I have not written plus sign. But if the number does not have a minus sign, it means it is having a positive sign. So here it is plus 2. So in the rules I said that for one green square, it is equal to plus 1. So if I have 2, I will use 2 green squares. 1 and 2. So the next step in the game is the number that is present towards the left side of the equal to sign should be made 0, which means I'll have to make minus 4 0. So how will I make minus 4 0? Oh yes, if we add plus 4 with minus 4, I am going to make it 0. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So in algebra, you will already know the rule that whatever you add or subtract from the left side should be added or subtracted from the right side. So to make minus 4 0, when I am adding plus 4, I'll have to add plus 4 with 2 on the right side. So I'm going to add plus 4 to the left side now. Since it is plus 4, I am going to use blue squares. So 1, yes, green squares. Yes. Now I'll add 4 more green squares to the right side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now with minus 4 and plus 4, you have made this side 0. So in 0, do we require any boxes? No. So I'm going to remove all these boxes. Okay. Yeah. So now what we are left with is our 2x and 6 green squares in total. So we have to find the number that is hidden in x. So we have to find how much green squares go for one yellow rectangle. Okay. So in total you have 6 green squares and 2 rectangles. So I'm going to divide this equally. So for one rectangle, I am going to give 3 green squares. And for the other rectangle, also I am going to give 3 green squares. So they are equal. So if you see from this, one rectangle is equal to 3 squares, which means 1x is equal to plus 3. 1x is equal to plus 3. So yes, we have found out the number that is hidden in x. Isn't it plus 3? One rectangle is equal to 3 green squares, which means 1x is equal to plus 3. So yes, the number that is hidden in x is plus 3.
Now we'll do something interesting with the calendar. Have you ever noticed any patterns in a calendar? There are so many. Today we'll do one among them. Take a 2x2 box, that is a 4 adjacent cells in a calendar. Now add it from corner to corner. The sum of the dates opposite to each will always be equal. Let's see it with an example. In this calendar of January 2020, we'll take a set of 4 cells. Let it be 1, 2, 8 and 9. Now add it from corner to corner. 1 plus 9 and 2 plus 8. Now you can see that the sum obtained for both is 10. If you do it for any 2x2 cells, you will get the sum equal to the other. Check it out with others also. Now, using algebra, we'll prove this case as true. Take the first date to be x and the subsequent ones as shown here. The adjacent numbers are x plus 1, x plus 7 and x plus 8. Add it from corner to corner as we have done it for the previous case. So if we do it like that, we'll get it as x plus 8 equal to 2x plus 8. And if we do it with the other ones, we'll get it as x plus 1 plus x plus 7 equal to 2x plus 8. As you see here, both are equal, right? It's 2x plus 8. So it's true for every 2 by 2 cells, and hence we proved it. This pattern is just a sample for you to get started. If you check in a calendar, you can see many of them. Don't forget to check it and relate it with algebra. Send your findings to us. So that's it. Bye.